What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here at my closed road spot, just this big empty street, and my mission is just to ride switch, get better at switch training. So today I'm only skating switch, and I have some missions that I want to accomplish. I think I can do a switch pop shove it, but we're gonna practice with some switch and some nollie stuff, and just give you guys a visual of anyone who skates goofy and wants to like learn how to skate. These are the things that I would do to relearn how to skate and just to get better at skateboarding. So let's get into it. We're gonna only skate switch today. Right here, this is my regular shoe. So if I skate my regular shoe, it's gonna get all ripped up, and that's why I brought these. And then this is my nice and clean one. So we're gonna try to shred up both sides of our shoes today, and yeah, let's do it. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. All right, switch only, switch only. Oh my God. Ah. All right, so far so good. It's kind of funny how I'm using the tips that I use in my videos to like actually help me get better at riding switch, because it just feels like I'm learning how to skate all over again. But yeah, we're gonna practice some of the things that I put in my latest video, the 10 things that you should practice. So we're just gonna try to go through everything and just have fun with it. Hopefully these are some things that will help you get better if you guys are learning how to just get comfortable and just carve and ride on your board. So I don't know, let's just have some fun with it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that one is a scary one. How I do that is I kind of just like, if I do it slow, I like take your foot off, hop into your hand, run, and then just hop back on it. Oh my gosh, there's so many pebbles right here. Hold on. Oh my gosh. All right, next let's try some ghost rides, because I feel like that would be a fun one. You just kind of like hop on, step off, hop on, step off, just chill, you know? I think a big tip though is to try to land with your front foot first instead of your back foot, because if you land with your back foot, it just kind of feels a little wonky. So, I don't know. I guess it don't matter. Oh. All right, I made it to the top of the hill, so I'm just gonna try to manual down. If I can't like hold the manual, then I'm just gonna like manual tap and just see how long I can hold it each time. I'm just gonna practice manuals. Hopefully I get better at it. Since it's a downward slope, it should be easier to just gain and catch speed. I won't have to push. So let's try it. I suck. Oh my gosh. I think with manuals, you really gotta engage your core. Try to like hold yourself over and like try to kind of like, I don't know. This is hard. I suck. You really just gotta practice, to be honest. So this is what it is. I think the thing about skateboarding too is that it's exercise, man. I'm working out my muscles here. I really feel it in my legs right now, in my core. You know, me just trying to balance and engage everything. It's a workout. So when you go out to skate, treat it like a workout. Have reps, you know, try to make goals for yourself. Try to make it more challenging, and that's how you'll get better, and that's how you'll improve. At least I think. It says no swag. This spot got no swag. Oh wait, I'm the one with no swag. All right, here's the like easiest explanation of a power slide. Basically what you want to do, put your feet into like the concaves of the board, the pockets as people call them, and then lean on this truck and then kick one of your hips back, or like one side. You can do it either way. You can go this way, or if you're more comfortable, you can push it this way. But the idea is just to break that into the first step. So boom, all right, and then lean on this foot, boom, that's it, boom, 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 boom. That's all you have to think about, boom, boom, all right, boom, 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 boom. All right, that's how you do it. And then you just carve into it. So when you carve this way, you'll be leaning on your toes. And then when you carve this way, you'll lean on your heels. You see? So toes, toe side, heel side, toe side, heel side. When you do a toe side carve, you can do back side. Boom. And then when you do heel side carve, you can do front side. You see? That's kind of like how I break it down. So if you can master that two-step motion, that boom, boom, or that boom, boom, it's kind of like a double tic-tac. That's why you gotta get comfortable with your monster walks. But that's how you do a power slide. Easy. That's the easy tutorial. Sometimes with power slides, you just need a little more speed. Speed kind of helps it, but you want to go fast enough that you can control it. So really carve into it first. And then power slide when you need to control your speed. All right, let's push up to the top of this thing and let's practice some baby ollies, and I don't know, we'll just practice some more stuff. But let's push. Let's do some strong pushes all the way up the hill. Here's some tips for riding and controlling your board. If you're just cruising, you can open your shoulders forward, have your hips forward, feet kind of like you're walking straight, you know? Push, you're pushing. Cross your arms, lean forward, use your core, everything. And then when you cruise, I turn my body this way, but I'm kind of pointed this way, you know, and I can like carve, and just push. Ooh, lose mouse there. And then when I go back to regular, I just go straight again. So you just want to switch between both, you know, forward and backwards. But I don't recommend you do something like this. It's kind of like awkward. I mean, you can, but it's just not, it doesn't look right. No style, if you ask me. If I'm riding straight, sometimes I'll do this. Both feet forward, one behind the other. It's all good, you know? Boom, see? Or I'm like this, straight, straight, straight. We're gonna work on some ollies. And the way that I've learned them is that a lot of pressure on your front foot and just pull this foot back, just and then the board will come right up to your front foot. And you don't really have to think about sliding it, you just have to pull up both your feet. Just pull this foot back. Trust me, all right? We're just gonna go at a comfortable speed. If I need to, I can speed check, you see? But we're just gonna try to keep it controlled. Woo! Yeah, I need a lot of practice. It's okay, just keep it controlled. Just gotta feel comfortable with it, you know? Take it slow, break it down into easy stuff, and then it gets easier. Sometimes you lose your balance, you know? It really is a workout for your legs. You really gotta like work it in, you know? Training whole new muscles right here. Ooh, my legs, I feel it. We made it to the bottom, so let's push back to the top again. Let's do it. Skateboarding is amazing because it will humble you. It will make you realize how much things actually take to practice before you can actually nail them and do them like the professionals do. So, man, I respect skateboarding. I respect skateboarders. And that's just why it's so much fun, you know? It not being easy. Like if it was like Skater XL, where you could just pop a back 360 flip down a huge stair set, it's not fun anymore. But when it's challenging, when it's hard, when it's difficult, and you can't do stuff until you actually progress, it's more rewarding, and that's what makes it amazing. And just, it's like the One Piece. Like that's the true treasure. It's not like learning the tricks, but it's just the reward of the feeling of it, you know? That's the One Piece, all right? All right, I think this time I'm gonna practice some nollies. So kind of like switch fakie and practice with my shoulders and body kind of facing this way. Hopefully I don't go too fast, but we're gonna try. Yeah. it's hard. Like, I'm training myself to just be this way. I'm so used to just being like this. Like, I could just be like this all day. But this is it right here. This is the challenge. This is the reward. All right, here's something that I didn't really practice and I know that I'm not so good at, and it's tic-tacs. Let's see if I can tic-tac up this hill. Let's see. No push. Just straight tic-tac up this hill. See if I can do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get a little speed. At least. Man, this is a hard one. But this is probably going to build the most board control. Like, if you could do this one, be super comfortable on your board. All right, let's keep trying. Tic-tacs. Tic-tacs. Let's go a little more speed. A little more speed. Yeah. There we go. I think these and manuals is probably what's gonna help you the most if you're learning how to skateboard and trying to build that board control. Tic-tacs and manuals for sure. And just having that balance between this foot and this foot, just locked in and just feeling good with that, I think that's what's like gonna help you the most if you're just trying to get comfortable. Oh snaps, it's a fellow skateboarder. We met a fellow skater. I left him so that I could continue practicing, but yeah, it's more this way. I'm like wanting to like be parallel, but I get the best ollie or nollie when I'm like kind of like this way. Let me try. It just takes training. You literally just have to train your body. Oh, I'm a freaking pebble. Whew, man, it's a hard trick. It's all good. We're gonna move on. We're gonna try switch pop shove it. We're just gonna practice here in this flat area, and I'm pretty sure I've landed one before, and I think I could do it again easy, but not without practice, so let's try. Let me try to feel it first. Let me try to like... The way I do pop shoves regular is I pop them forward, like I scoop them. I basically think pop this point on the board all the way up to here. Try to get this to go right here, if that makes any sense. So kind of like down and more like a whoo motion. I don't know. Alright, we got that feeling like alright. See if I can put that front foot on there. See if I can like kind of feel. Oh, freaking pebble. Sloppy. Alright, I took a few steps back. I'm just breaking down this trick into smaller pieces, then putting them together, and that's how you kind of unlock things. The first part to the shove it is like the pop part, so when you pop it this way. And then the second part is kind of like shoving it into your front foot, popping it like that. And then the third part is catching it and just getting your back foot on. But what that just takes is like a lot of practice, just working through all the failures, and then eventually building up the confidence to just land it. So that's the mission. Let's do it. Let's land this. There you go. I think a lot of people think that it's like, oh, why can't I just commit to this? But really, you just have to work through the practice, the failures, like just being okay with sucking, and then just getting comfortable with it, and then it starts to feel more comfortable and easier. Being okay with just not being good at it, and pushing through that. Pushing through not being good at it. It's like learning how to pop shove all over again. I'm not even good at pop shoves. Don't give up, Mr. Wavy. Yes, that was it. Alright guys, sun's going down. I did get a few pop shove. It's not the way I wanted them, but it's okay. I'll come back. What it takes is years and years of practice to really get them clean, consistent, and nice. So I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna try and get them more. I'm gonna try to get nollie flips down as well, and this will be a new series that I come and do. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. So until next time, peace out.